What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Mullet Man episode. Back with the bean.
What's up? What's up, everybody?
We're starting the morning off real quick. Gonna try to hook up to a tarpon on this bridge, and then we're going to the backcountry catch trout. And I got something special for you guys that I haven't really told you a lot about. I'm not gonna show it, but we're gonna see if we can catch some fish when we get back there, and maybe get a little sneak peek of something. But we're gonna throw some dead mullet out, see if we can't catch a tarpon real quick. Then we got an hour ride to the backcountry, try to catch some trout, mangrove snapper, whatever we can catch. Yep. Dinner.
Tarpon in a cold front. Let's see if we make it happen. We got a little shower to wake us up on the way here.
Well, after a long 45-minute boat ride, rough, we made it. That's a little secret sauce down there. Y'all can't see it. And I got him tying on a little secret sauce over there too. We are coming out. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, guys. Mullet Man Bait Co. is a thing. It'll be a thing very soon. Been working on it for months and months and months, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish today. But just got to our spot. We're gonna drift over this flat. Got some birds working right over here, and they're kind of just flying around, but they're about to be working.
Oh, they're working all right.
Hopefully. And so we're here to catch trout. Who knows what else we'll catch, but let's get after it. See if we can catch a dinner.
Let's do it.
Way. Dang. Trout. First trout of the morning on the popping cork.
I almost got some good bench out, Ryan.
This little jack.
Got jack on?
Yeah.
Alright.
Take it. I'll take it.
Something to bend the rod?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, look at that.
Good trout.
Okay. Big old head shaker, huh?
Yeah. Good trout. Big trout. Dude, what's chasing him?
Oh, God. Get him in. Get him in. Oh.
Dude, that's a big trout. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Dude, that is a stud.
I'm telling you, man. Yeah, that's just a good trout. He's at
20 and a half.
Put
Can't
him in
keep
a live
him.
well. Put him in a live well.
Sure.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put him in a live well because we're allowed to keep one fish over 19 inches, right?
Hey, double. On some big one, dude. Look at this jumbo. Golly. Y'all got some giant trout here, dude.
Secret spot. Secret spot. Oh, man.
Oh.
My God, mine just ate the bear jig head. Look at that. Just ate that. He was popping on
Dude,
the
he's
fork.
9. That's a keeper.
Yeah, all day. Come here now. Come on.
Big.
Nah, he just
Oh, it's a freaking mangrove.
Dude.
Keeper mangrove.
put him in the boat. It's a big jumbo, too.
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, Mullet Man Bait Co. catches everything. I'm good.
Flip him like a bat. Right here. Here. Throw him right to my feet.
Smoked it. Oh. All right.
Come back.
All right, let's see if we can do that again. There you go. I saw that. Oh! Go! Ladyfish! Dude, I saw that thing come up and smoke it.
You get that one, Phil?
Yeah.
That's a big ladyfish. Give me the boat, dude. That's my bait.
Oh! He come off. You're hooked up?
I'm hooked up, too.
Ladyfish?
No, little trout, but big or small, we like them all. Big or small.
Dang, that was sweet. Up. Oh, he came off. Dude, giant tarpon. Oh!
He's still on.
Dude.
He's still on.
Dude.
Still on. You filming?
I'm filming.
Oh my God, dude. Oh my God.
Holy cow, dude, that's a jumbo tarpon.
Oh yeah. It's not quite out.
We're out here catching mangrove snapper, and he hooks up to a 100-pound tarpon.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my God.
Stay on, stay hooked.
20-pound tag.
Really?
20-pound plural, 1-0 hook.
Jumbo, let's get him.
On the light tackle.
Look at that tarpon, guys. Yeah.
On her. Come here, don't do that. Whatever you do, do not do that. Alright. She's going to do that. She's going to do that.
Which side do you want me on?
I'm going to go up there. You want to do that? Okay. Okay. So you want to play rough? Okay.
She ain't doing nothing.
She just...
We lost our snapper spot.
I know, I got on GPS, don't worry. There she is. There she goes.
Oh
man.
Good fight.
That's cool though.
Good
we got alongside a boat. We got the hook. Look at that. She broke the hook.
Dang.
Broke the hook. Light hook, light braid, light leader, light rod. Beautiful tarpon. Let's go get our dinner now.
Yeah. Quick.
Hope so.
Oh, what is that? Little baby.
Don't show.
All right, I'm getting bit now. Let's see how big mine is. Oh, mine's even smaller.
Man, look at that.
What?
That's a big
piggy perch.
It's a big piggy perch. That's a moose piggy perch. There's a shark.
What do we got on here?
We got mega snapper on.
You think?
Mega snapper on.
Nah, dude.
Ain't no way.
No.
Mega shark on.
Yeah, big shark. See him? Freaking giant shark.
Fight him out, bro. Fight him out, dude.
That's why we're not catching snapper.
Oh my god. Woo!
Yeah, that's how that happens.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh!
Dude, oh! I still got my snapper.
That's a keeper too. That's a big one.
That's a good one, dude. Are you kidding me?
Screw them sharks. Let's see if this ladyfish gets sharked.
We're just laughing them today. The shark only wants our good eating snapper. They don't want to eat these ladyfish.
Well, now we're
God.
gonna be fighting for 4 hours.
You just let go of it, but he didn't hit it again. He just let go of it.
Again?
Oh, he's
No, he's on.
Oh my god. Oh dude, it's a big shark. Oh my god. I got the drag locked down on this Acrylis Aegis. It is just locked down. Holy cow.
You wanna chase him?
Hold on.
Big shock. You got a big shock on.
Big shock on. Big shock. Shock taught us right here. That did not take long, did it?
No.
We've been catching, we're trying to catch snappers.
We got 2 left to catch.
We got 2 left for our limit. Ironically, they've been tough to catch because there's been so many sharks here and so many ladyfish. I was got one of these ladyfish.
I see him, there he is.
You see him?
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is it?
I think it's a big old bull.
Bull shark?
Big giant bull. Holy cow.
It's probably that same one that was just here.
It is.
Dragging that power pole around.
Hold on. Holy cow. Let me get him through that cable. Oh my god. Pull that for 1 second. Yes. Big old limit. That, huh? Oh yeah. Oh man. Look at that. Isn't that some pretty water to be catching these trout?
Yeah, that's a big old trout right there.
Oh, dude, he was going for the cork. He really wanted that cork, and I just ripped that cork away from him. Oh my god. Oh. Come here. Dude, that's a hog right there, huh?
Yes, sir.
Good trout, dude.
Real good trout.
Look at that. Catch and release, baby.
What is it?
I don't know, dude.
Mine's big, or he's fighting big. I'm below you. Big trout, huge trout.
Oh my God, 2 of them. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now.
Oh, mine came out right there. Dang it.
Oh my God, go back in that hole. Dude, I had a monster snapper that first one.
That's a keeper trout.
Oh yeah, all day.
Oh, hooked up. Another big trout.
Just gave
Big trout.
Hold on. Still reach that hole pretty good right there?
Yeah. Choked it.
That's a stud.
I don't know, how many do we have? Yeah, we can keep yours.
Still shaking?
Yeah.
Oh dude, that's gotta get ready.
Oh! Big tarpon! Oh!
Holy cow! Oh my God! Hold on to him. Hold on to him now. Hold on.
Oh! I had it rolling too, dude. Chase this joker.
Oh my God, on the flat. Tarpon on the flat.
Dude, it's a giant. Stay hooked.
Oh my God. Everyone tarpon fishing by the grid. Smooth drag, huh?
Oh yeah.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad at those reels at all.
She's getting tired.
Oh yeah, she's rolling. Oh yeah, she's 100-pounder. She's a triple-digit fish, baby.
Come on, let us land you, please.
I got 86 on here. We just wanted to get a snapper on that, man. We're just trying to catch our last keeper snapper, man. Amazing, absolutely amazing.
Hear that music?
That's the sound of a big tarpon. Getting tired?
Yes.
Look at that, dude. Oh my God! Oh my God!
I missed it.
No, you didn't.
I missed it.
I got it. I got it, dude.
That was a fight, dude.
Wow.
That was epic. That was a fight right there. That was how much do you think that tarpon weighed?
Easily 100-pounder.
120. But we had an awesome day. We got a cooler full of fish. We're heading to the house and gonna clean up some fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a blast. All right, guys, gonna clean up a few fish. Now I'm gonna let him do all the dirty work since he's the guide. But y'all seen me clean trout before. Let's do a little mangrove snapper action. I'm not gonna do it like he does it. Go through those ribs. There's one side. 2. See if a big old shark comes up.
Some will come up.
Big old tarpon.
Fired up on it.
Yeah,
there it goes.
he got it. Come in here. Take that meat off the skin. Cut those ribs out. Couple pin bones. There's one. They're actually a lot softer than I thought they'd be.
Thought they'd be a little firmer.
Yeah.
The longer they sit in that brine, the firmer they'll get.
So there's
that shark coming up on a
mango
pelican.
snapper. Oh, look at those sharks. There's a, what is that?
Bull.
Bull?
Couple bulls. This is when that shark will come up and eat the pelicans.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
How often does he get a pelican?
Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this. Look, look, look. Look, look, look.
How often do they eat pelicans?
I mean, sometimes you throw a carcass in the water. And look, 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 look. Oh, man, they're munching, dude. They're fired up. Oh, my God, they're all fired up.
I don't see any worms in there.
Look, 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 look. Fired up. Look, 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 look. Oh my God. Oh, dude.
Did it just eat?
You tried.
Yeah, there's...
That was Nick Stanzik trying to get a cameo in.
Alright guys, I'm back at the house and we're gonna do a little bit of cooking real quick. Got some dirty rice going. Shouldn't have lifted the lid, but got some dirty rice going. We're gonna blacken some fish. Got trout and snapper mixed, and then I just made an awesome salad. I got some Greek with feta cheese and black olive dressing. Got some green olives in here, some feta cheese. Delicious. So all we're gonna do is take some Critter Glitter Fish and Fowl. If y'all are new to the channel, this is my seasoning. It is on my website, linked in the description. Fish and Fowl. This is probably my favorite one. We also have a red. It's delicious as well. It's like awesome for chilies and red meats and stuff like that. But I use the Fish and Fowl on everything. So we're gonna season these pretty liberally, and then on both sides. And then we're just going to cook them in half butter, half olive oil until they're blackened, and top it over the dirty rice and have a side salad. So it's gonna be delicious. Stay tuned. We're gonna be eating good. All right, so pretty much 75% of my family is sick, so I'm just cooked for us, but give you a little taste test on this fish. Blackened. Delicious. Give it like a 8 out of 10. Amazing, but everybody's just out of it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out Bean. He'll be linked in the description. If you're ever in this area, book a trip with him. He'll put you on the fish, and he'll put you on dinner. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and remember, eat good.